Very good morning, everyone. Today, in this lecture, we will be doing one numerical based on mean deviation. Fine. So, I am writing the numerical on the board and then we will solve that particular question. So, the question is, if we have a sample of six items, then calculate mean deviation from mean and median, and we have to find out its coefficient also. So this is a question that we have to do, and the data is also given to you. The data is, we have 6 items. So सबसे पहली वैल्यू हमारी है 6, then we have 10, then we have 26, 28, 30 and 32. So students, this is our question, and in this particular question there are 6 sample units are given to you, or you can say a sample of 6 items are given to you. This is given in the form of series 6, 10, 26, 28, 30 and 32. And finally we have to calculate the mean deviation from mean and median, and we have to find out also its coefficient. You can see the series here that is given into individual series, and in this particular series we have to find out the mean deviation. Mean deviation is also known as average deviation, and in this particular question the first thing that we have to see, that is in which type of series is given to you. Here we can see that there are some values which is not been repeated. So I can say that it is a individual series. So what is the formula for average deviation? So I am writing the formula here. Average deviation, if we will want to calculate from arithmetic mean, then average deviation, or first we will find out from median. Okay. So average deviation from median, that is equal to summation of x minus median, and that is divided by n. When we have the individual series, then we can find out the average deviation from median, that is equal to mod of x minus m divided by n. So first we have to find the value of median. So how we can find the value of median? So we will make a table. First we will make a table. On this particular table, first we will write the series. You can say it as a variable x, and you have to write all the values of this variable here. Okay, then what you have to do, as far as the formula is concerned, we have to make another column, that is x minus m, that should be put in mod, and you have to total all the values of mod of x minus median. So here you will get summation x minus median. So for that we require to find the value of median. So what is median? So first we have to arrange the data into the ascending order, and fortunately in our question the data is already arranged in ascending order. So in individual series, the formula of median is, this is n plus 1 by 4th observation. So what is capital N here? The number of observation here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So here the number of observations are 6. So putting in, that is equal to number of observation, that is 6 plus 1 by 4th observation. Here you will get 7. 7 divided by, sorry, I am talking about median, so I have to write here 2. Fine. You can also correct it here. In this, the denominator is 2. So 6 plus 1, that is 7 by 2. That is 3.5th observation. So what is 3.5th observation? That is third observation plus fourth observation, that is again divided by 2. So in our series, what is our third observation? That is 26, and the fourth observation is 28. So here I am writing 28 plus 26. Or you can also write here fourth observation. Okay, 28 plus 26 divided by 2. So here you will have 27. Okay. So 27 is your what? That is your median. Fine. Now putting the value of 27 here, then 6, that is the first value of your variable, minus your median, that is what we have calculated as 27. Fine. Here also 10 minus 27, then here 26 minus 27, then here 28 minus 27. All the values has to be put in the mod. 30 minus 27, and here 32 minus 27. If you can see here, here you will have 21, here you have 17, here you have 1, 3. Here you have 5. So if you will add all these values, then you will have the summation of mod x minus m, that is equal to 48. Fine. So putting this value, summation x minus m, that is put in mod, we have 48. And what is the number of observation? 6. So finally, average deviation from median, you got 8. So one thing we find out that this average deviation from median, and we got the answer 8. We even have to find out the average deviation from arithmetic mean. So we have a formula here, average deviation. When it is calculated from arithmetic mean, then we have a formula x minus x bar divided by n. Okay, so here you can say the observations are, I'm writing the first, second, third, fourth, fifth and sixth. So n, what you can say, that is equal to 6. And if you will add up all these values of x, so here you will have summation x, and summation x, what you will have, that is 132. Now finding the value of x bar, so here I am writing the x bar, that is equal to summation x by n. So x bar, that is equal to what you have, 132 summation x, this is 132 summation x divided by 6. So you will have the x bar you will have the x bar 22. Fine. And now, as far as the formula is concerned, average deviation from arithmetic mean, this is summation of x minus x bar, that is divided by n. So here we have to find out x minus x bar, mod के अंदर रहेगा, this value we have to find it out. So what is the value of x here? 6 minus x bar, that we have already calculated as 22, and here 10 minus 22, here 26 minus 22, here 28 minus 22, here 30 minus 22, here 32 minus 22. So you will check the values. Here you will have 16, here you will have the value 12, here you have the value 4, 6, 8, and here you will have the value 10. And if you will sum up all these values, then you will write summation of x minus x bar. So adding all these values, you will have the value 56. Fine. Then putting this numerator here in the formula, so you will have 56 in the numerator and number of observation is 6. So here the value of average deviation from arithmetic mean is 9.33. So you can also calculate from the calculator. So this is what average deviation from median, and this is what average deviation from arithmetic mean we have calculated. And in this question also it has been written as we have to find out the coefficient also. So coefficient of average deviation, so you have to write here, I am writing coefficient of average deviation from median. So formula is what? Average deviation that is divided by median. So average deviation that is divided by median. So what you will have, the average deviation, coefficient of average deviation from median. So here I have to write average deviation from median, that is equal to 8, and the median what you will have, that is 27. So you will have the coefficient 0.29. You can also find it out from your calculator. Another coefficient is coefficient of average deviation from mean. So this is what average deviation from arithmetic mean, that is again divided by arithmetic mean. So average deviation from arithmetic mean was already found to be 9.33. So here I am writing 9.33 into the numerator place, and x bar we have already calculated. This is your x bar, that is 22. So if you can solve it, you will have the coefficient 0.42. So in this question, basically the series is given to you in individual form, and we have been asked to find out the coefficient of average deviation from median also and from mean also. So first we have calculated the average deviation from mean and average deviation from median, and finally we came up with the coefficient also. Okay friends, in the next question we will again see a different type of series, and once again we will find the coefficient of average deviation. Thank you.